Yeah, what is it? Happy birthday, baby! Look at all your balloons! You don't care about that, you just want to see Steve's. Let's go get him. Look at all your balloons! It's okay, you can play with them. Yeah. Can you pick them up? Are they too big? Are they too big? Huh, baby? Look at the cheese. Cheese. I need to turn off. Cheese, baby. Cheese. Oh, don't move. You gotta stay still. Not allow flame here. Okay. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lucas. Happy birthday to you.
What is going on?
What is this? Is this your birthday cake? Ooh. Ooh. Ready? You wanna go? Can you blow?
No.
Alright, we'll blow. Ready? Yay!
Yay! Clap, clap, clap.
Yay!
He's still so confused.
No, wait, I want to get a picture of the one there.
Take it off. Take it off, Brant.
Lucas, what is that? Is that your birthday cake? Okay. There you go.
He doesn't know what to do with it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yum, baby. If you hold this
He's like, oh god, that was delicious. Let me get some more. That cake is huge for him. That's so big.
I don't think these are going to come out clear because I'm shaking.
You got that frosting on his face.
Oh, it's blurry because I moved.
Because you keep laughing. Is it good?
It's like he knows exactly what he's supposed to do. It's like programmed in their brains. Like, oh, I'm supposed to eat it without my hands, even though he's been eating food with his hands for like months.
It's a big old piece.
Is that delicious? Can I have some? Can I have some? Yummy. Yummy.
He's too busy. He's like, you do whatever you want. It's just good.
Oh, yum.
You need a tummy ache.
You fool. You can have more. It's okay. Close enough?
Has he even got to the actual cake part yet?
Yeah, just a tiny bit.
He's gonna be bouncing off the walls tonight.
He's doing it pretty politely though, like he's not really like,
Yeah.
his face is not dirty. You're such a polite boy. Is
You
it
done?
yummy?
You can touch it if you want. He wants to eat the fondant stuff.
Oh, yeah, you want to take one off? Look. It's okay, you can eat it. See? You can eat it. Yummy.
Oh.
You don't like the fondant?
Not so good that time. So yeah, I don't like that piece.
He's not being as messy as I thought he would be. I thought he'd be like throwing it on the floor to Steve's.
Give him time.
True. Yummy. I've never had fondant, have you? It's marshmallow fondant.
What does that mean? What's this?
She makes it out of marshmallows.
Don't like that. See, they liked it. Oh, big bite. Put the wrong end.
Why'd you put it up there?
Because Steve was licking it.
You're smart, baby.
You like that frosting better on that side?
Because you saw Mama eating it.
Maybe.
Buttercream frosting, she said. Goodness.
I want some cake.
Huh?
I said I want some cake.
You'll have some? Just give it. I haven't had a cake in forever.
I'm just getting tired.
You gonna dance? You gonna dance? Huh, baby? Oh. Ooh.
You like the frosting better?
Does he get any more into that cake?
Not really. He just keeps eating the frosting.
Gotta eat some cake, buddy.
Just look at his fingers.
Yeah, is it good?
Just stop videotaping. Putting a hex on it?
Freeze. Freeze cake, freeze. Oh, now you're gonna smile that I don't have the camera out. I don't have one picture of you smiling.
Nope.
That's what they make those for. I
What?
saw in the store that they have like birthday packages, like first birthday packages, where it comes with like banners and hats, and then it also comes with a mat for your floor, so for when they're like throwing it on the floor. But it was like $12 for the whole thing.
He's done.
Are you done? Are you done?
I'm sure anyway.
Lucas, what are you doing? Hi, I see you. Lucas. Are you gonna bring that to Mama? Can you bring it to me? No? You're over it? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh. Where are you going? Yeah. I see you. I see you. Lucas. Look at him. Say wee. Can you back up? Back it up. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Come here. Lucas, come here. No, he's not. He was grabbing him. Stays, wait. He's gonna push you. Come here. Come here. Push him. Push him. Say push, push, push. You have to turn it. Right here. Okay, push. Push him. Bye, Steve. Here, be nice. Steve, are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? You want a treat? You want